Old man! Old man! Old man! Wait, old man!
What do you want, laddie?
Teach me the ways of CRM!
CRM? It's science. Go back to your home and your third-party personalization.
But cookies are dying!
Cookies, you say? Tell me more, lad.
Now that cookies are dying, we don't have any more third-party personalization for customers, and now we have to build customer relationships.
Customer relationships, you say? CRM?
Yes.
Lad, I will teach you the ways of CRM.
Hello and welcome to CRM Today. My name is Brogan, and today we're talking about journey maps. Why do we need journey maps in the first place? The problem we're trying to solve is that most companies have all kinds of ways to talk to prospects and customers, but they usually do quite a terrible job. Multiple departments, different objectives, multiple messages. They clearly don't know the customer. Instead of building, learning relationships over time in a coordinated way, they miss opportunities to learn about the customer, to deliver great CX, and to build customer value. Instead, they deliver, wait for it, bad CX. Your garden variety journey map starts with a persona of your target prospect or customer. It tells you a little something about needs and motivations, how they like to interact with you, and the relative value of that segment to the business. The journey map charts that course and helps you plan the experience directly for that customer or prospect. Different customers have different needs and preferences. Take Vampira here. She's mostly the indoors type. Journey maps come in all shapes and sizes. They got short ones, long ones, tall ones, round ones, and freaky ones. No matter your format, most journey maps have certain commonalities. Along the top, you've got your awareness through loyalty lifecycle. Then you have various layers of information. Customer insights, what's your customer trying to achieve during this lifecycle stage? Business objectives, similar questions for the business. CX, that's what we just saw, that's really the journey. Then there is usually some supporting data, either voice of customer or some metrics. And then finally, there's enablement. What kind of insights, technology, and processes will we have to develop to make this journey a reality? In general, there are two types of journey maps. The current state journey map seeks to take our I, D, I, C, and L principles that we learned from the last episode and apply those to the current journey, really to diagnose any sort of issues with the current experience, lack of data collection, lack of personalization, and capture some ideas for that ideal state. The future state journey map, on the other hand, seeks to detail and plan out that ideal customer experience for each of your customer personas. Take Vampira here. She likes to go to the morgue, so we're going to plan out an experience that's more in alignment with her needs. Journey maps are great planning tools, but they do have their pitfalls. First off is manual labor. They're flammable. Another drawback is that journey maps are strategy documents that sometimes don't translate well to your frontline marketing staff. And finally, paper journey maps are static documents that aren't refreshed by timely, real-time data. It can't enable journey analytics, which is something that we'll tackle in our next episode. Thank you for listening. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like, share, and even subscribe. This is Brogan for CRM Today. See you next time.